How to fix error code or restrict area while launching PUBG Mobile. Here are some tips that would help you fix error code or restrict area while launching PUBG Mobile. 1. Check if the PUBG game has been specifically banned by your country or ISP. If so, we do not encourage you to use this video guide. Otherwise, try fix error code or restrict area at your own risk. FYI, the Tencent Games company has shut all services in India at the time of commenting. 2. Try the recommended NordVPN in this video guide to improve the ping in PUBG. Note, once your phone is connected to the VPN server, like a US server, you chose, consider creating a new PUBG ID, enable the choose your choice of server option under select mode. 3. Contact PUBG support for more info.